All right, listen up, people. This is the real deal. You want more shine, less hassle? Done. Self-cleaning, anti-stick technology means dirt and grime don't stand a chance. Rain comes through? Boom. Clean car. That just wax look? Yeah, it's permanent. Wax fades. We all know that. But this stays glossy, sharp, turning heads everywhere. Now I know what you're thinking. Where can I find the best ceramic coating near me? I got you. The answer? APS in Fairfax, Virginia. This isn't some gimmick. It's the latest in paint protection technology. Repels water, dirt, stains, keeps your car from fading, defends against scratches. Basically, it does everything but drive for you. And now, it just got even better. Graphene-infused Ecocoat Kenzo gives you up to 5 years of protection. That's right, 5 years. Oh, and forget water spots. This stuff fights them off like a Hall of Fame defense. 12 times stronger than wax, 10H hardness, insanely deep clear shine. So if you actually care about your car, and I think you do, get a ceramic coating at APS in Fairfax. Because looking good isn't optional.